My kids want snow. They were asking me today if it was going to snow.
Really?
Yes,
In
they
North
wanted
Texas?
to snow.
I know that's what they're. Have they grown up here?
It wasn't that
Yes,
cold.
all their lives. So, we get snow. I mean, any more now? Once every couple of years.
No, but
it
it's
feels
almost
like.
40 degrees.
Look,
Felt colder.
It can snow. It certainly it could get cold enough to snow,
Yeah.
but we don't have that storm system coming in when it's going to be that cold. At least not just yet. But when talking about December, sometimes we do see snow in the month of December, just not a whole lot. We average at DFW 0.2 of an inch of snowfall. That's it. So our temperatures, they're going down as we get farther along into December, but it's December 1st and the average high starts in the low 60s. We end the month with the average high dropping down into the mid 50s. The lows, though, we start out typically in the low 40s, and by the end of the month the average low drops all the way down to about 36 degrees. But it's actually the 6th wettest month of the year, but we're talking about rainfall. 2.84 is what we typically see, and again, just 0.2 of an inch of snowfall. So it certainly does happen. It's just a little bit more unusual for us in North Texas to actually get that snowfall, but at least it's starting to feel more like the holidays outside. Temperatures are pretty cold. We only made it to 39 degrees, which tied the old record high of 39 set back in 1985. We're at 38 degrees and a north wind at 13 miles an hour, just helping it to feel that much colder. We're at 38 degrees in McKinney, 36 in Greenville, 39 in Terrell, 38 degrees in Waxahachie. Satellite and radar showing the showers that we did have earlier today, that continues to move east away from us, and we do have some clearing skies taking place out to the west. So as we go throughout the rest of this evening and into tonight, that's going to be the trend. Our skies will eventually clear out tomorrow morning. It's going to be cold, but at least we will see some sunshine. We're expecting sunshine all day tomorrow. That will help temperatures to recover at least back into the 40s. So still below normal, but better than what we had today. Wednesday morning, now the wind shifting back to the south, and temperatures will be a little bit nicer. In fact, we should actually make it into the 60s out ahead of a cold front that will be moving through DFW at around 8 o'clock or so. With this cold front, it will bring some rain, but initially maybe just a little bit of light rain in some of our southeast counties. It's not going to be until the cold front passes on by that the rain behind it will start to move in. So this is going to be Thursday at 7 o'clock in the morning, and somewhere around the Metroplex we may have some light rain, but notice the farther north you go, temperatures will be cold enough that there's going to be some winter precipitation. But as of right now, the trend is that's going to be even farther north of the Red River. So that's where that's going to happen. But here across North Texas, it looks like it's going to be warm enough that everything would be plain rain. And it also looks pretty light. By Thursday evening and Thursday night, we're still going to have some clouds around, but temperatures start to go up as we get towards the weekend. Tonight, though, they're going down. 29 degrees in Denton, 27 tomorrow morning in McKinney, 28 in Granbury, 30 degrees in Mineral Wells. And then tomorrow afternoon with the sunshine and a south wind, temperatures will make it back into the upper 40s across much of the Metroplex, but 50 in Fort Worth, 51 in Decatur, 50 degrees tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon in Waxahachie. So we talked about the roller coaster temperatures that we're expecting. They're just kind of all over the place. Wednesday, we've got highs in the mid 60s. The next cold front comes in Wednesday evening. So for your Thursday, we're nearly 20 degrees below normal, but we're back up in the low 50s on Friday and Saturday, low 60s. But another cold front arrives this weekend and it drops us back into the mid 50s, which still isn't even all that bad. So tonight, clearing skies, we're dropping down into the low 30s, but tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be a much better looking day and temperatures will feel a little bit nicer as well. But again, if you like the colder weather, we've got more of that in the forecast for you as well. Low 40s on Thursday. We warm things back up on Friday. Now, the second half of that 14-day, there are a few chances of rain in there. They're kind of all over the place as well. We've got 50s and we've got 60s. We also have those Santa's Helpers days as well. So we actually have our first Santa's Helpers Day on Wednesday.